Tips on Trading once again. Today I'm going to discuss the answer to a question that I am asked a lot. Apparently a lot of people have a hard time comprehending why someone who has such a great trading system, great trading strategies and so forth, wouldn't want to just keep it to themselves. Keep all those secrets tight right here, and benefit from them by myself. Sometimes they worry if we're not dealing with a Forex market that has a scarcity mentality. If you teach too many people how to be successful, is it really possible? Don't some have to lose in order for some to win and so forth? Well, quite frankly, there's two answers to that there. One is about me and the other one's about the market. First of all, this is a world market. We're not dealing with just one currency. We're dealing with many different currencies. We're dealing with populations that are in the billions of people around the world. It's not a scarce market, okay? And it's a growing market. Several years ago when I first got involved with trading, it was touted that it was about a $2 trillion market per day that transitions through the Forex trading market. Now, they're talking over $3 trillion a day. So this is not a shrinking market, it's a growing market. It's a vast, vast market, almost incomprehensible to most people to think of the size of the market, the breadth of the market. So do I worry about teaching so many people how to be successful in trading that they won't be able to be successful because there are too many now being successful? No. I don't think I've ever even come close to that. Another reason why I teach others to trade is because I like to do it. Yes, I enjoy trading. It's a challenge. I find a thrill in that. It's exhilarating to me. It's also frustrating sometimes because the market can be very challenging. But that, to me, for my personality, is something that just is appealing to me about trading. But I also am a people person. I like to teach. I like to be on a stage. I like to be on front of the camera here, okay? I like to talk to people. And the people I work with really enjoy working with me. At least that's the feedback I get. And they like the fact that somebody out there who is successful is willing to help them do the same thing. This is my way of giving back, okay? Life has been good to me. And that by being good to me, I don't mean that it's always favored me 100% of the time financially. There's a lot more ways of having goodness out of life than just money. Just like there's a lot of ways to find a great life in more than just trading. I would never encourage a person to do nothing but trading. As far as I'm concerned, what a waste of a life. If all you do is trade and make money and never do anything with it that's more important, what good is it in the first place? Well, for me, I like to share what I've learned with other people. And if I can't share what I've learned, I don't think I'm growing. I don't think I'm becoming the person I can be. Life is about giving back. It's not always about getting. And that's what makes us happy. That's what makes us teach our children to be happy when they see us giving back and sharing with other people, instead of always looking at life as though you must come from the scarcity mentality. I personally believe that the more we give, the more we're going to receive. And the more we give, the less we have to think about receiving. Things tend to come naturally that way. If you'll look at life as a trader and use your trading in that type of mentality, you'll find yourself much happier, much more fulfilled. You'll find much more of the goodness of life coming back to you. And that's Tips on Trading for today. This is Stephen's story.